Hi, this is Aditi. Welcome to Plast ERP. Customized ERP for plastic industries. Today we are going to see GRN. Go to Transaction, Stores, GRN. GRN stands for Good Received Note. GRN is record of good received by stores. This record is used to confirm all goods have been received. Types of GRN. Direct GRN. This GRN is for purchase requisition PO, direct PO, open PO, plastic powder PO. GRN import. This GRN is for import PO without GST. GRN service. This GRN is for service PO. GRN incoming returnable challan. This GRN is for returnable challan PO. GRN capital. This GRN is for capital goods ordered through capital PO. GRN HO. This GRN is for HO PO. Today we are going to see direct GRN. Here all approved purchase order of register PO, plastic powder PO and direct PO will be displayed. An approved pending purchase order has to be present. Billable, non-billable. These can be set by default from the register master by setting value from column billable. Material received with or without a bill. Vendor. All sundry creditors are displayed and user can select the one of them. Freight. User can select the freight option if it is paid or to pay. Transporter bill pending. This has to be selected when freight to pay and transporter bill has not been received during GRN. Challan number and challan date. User can input the challan number and challan date received along with the vendor bill. Invoice number and invoice date. User can input invoice number and invoice date received along with the vendor bill. Gate register number and date. User can input the gate register number and date written by the security person on the gate of his factory. After clicking pending PO pop-up. After clicking pending PO, all approved PO will be displayed. Now going to item details. PO number. Here PO number display from selected PO. PO date. It is come from selected PO. Item our name and our code. Our pending PO item which is display from selected PO. Then bill rate. By default the selected PO rate is display and it is editable. Discount rate. This is the discount driven from discount which is fetched from the selected PO if mentioned in the PO. Schedule date. It is come from selected PO. PO rate. It will be auto fetch from the PO selected. Item description. Additional information if mentioned on the PO will be displayed. Received quantity of the item mentioned on the pop-up is displayed. Now tax tab. In tax tab, charge template. Here user can select any charge template. When user can select the charge name, the charge rate, charge amount, rate display here. After that, user can click on calculate charge button. Here display basic amount, charge amount and final amount. And the total tax amount is display here. If there are any document user wants to attach, then click on the documents and attach here and click on, after that click on save button. GRN will be saved and pop-up comes on screen. Thank you.